Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Roth IRA. First, ensure you meet the income requirements for a Roth IRA. Then, open the Robinhood app or visit their website to start your application. You'll need to provide some personal information and link a bank account. This process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes to complete, setting the foundation for your tax-advantaged retirement savings. Once your account is open, it's time to fund your Roth IRA. You can contribute up to the annual maximum, which is currently $7,000 for most individuals. Setting up recurring deposits is a smart way to consistently grow your savings. You can easily transfer funds from your linked bank account or even roll over funds from another eligible retirement account, making the process seamless. With funds in your Roth IRA, you can now begin investing. Robinhood offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and more. Take time to research potential investments that align with your financial goals. Remember to diversify your portfolio to help manage risk effectively. Once ready, you can easily place buy orders for your chosen assets directly within the app. Managing your Roth IRA is an ongoing process. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and rebalance your investments as needed to ensure they align with your long-term strategy. It's also important to understand the rules for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Keep an eye on annual contribution limits to maximize your savings. Robinhood provides tools to help you monitor and manage your account effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.